Hello students, hi, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Okay, we were doing exercise 1.1 and we have done two parts of question second question. Now we will come to the third part. See, we have to find out the LCM and HCF and then we have to verify whether the product of HCF and LCM is equal to the product of two numbers or not. It's very simple. Chalo, let's come to the point. Question exercise size 1.1. Question number 2, part 3. So it is 336 and no, where were we? Yes, 36 and 54. ठीक है, चलो do the prime factorization first. 3 1 3, 3 1 3, 3 2 6, 3 3 is 9. It will not go by 3. It will go by 2 5 is 2, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12. Again it will go by 12. 2 2 is 4, 2 8 is 16, 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 7 is 14, 7 1 is 7. So what is the prime factorization of 336? It is 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So now next, do the prime factorization of 54. Very easy. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 2 is 4, 2 7 is 14, 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. So what are the prime factorization of 54? That are 2 into, you multiply all these factors, 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, write down in power form, 2 into 3 raised to the power 3. Or what is the power form of this? 3 into 1 2 3 4, 2 raised to the power 4 into 7. So these are the prime factorization of the two numbers 336 and 54. Okay, now what is LCM? As we know very well, LCM is we have to take all the factors and their highest powers, whether they are common or not, it doesn't matter. हमें सारे फैक्टर्स उठाने हैं उनकी विद हाईएस्ट पावर के साथ. सो फर्स्ट फैक्टर है इसमें, इन दोनों में क्या है, इसके 2 3 and 3 2 and 7. So there are 3 types of factors, 2 3 and 7. So first of all I will pick factor 2 and the highest power is 4. Then I will pick factor 3 and its highest power is 3, and then the factor 7. Okay, LCM is this. Now HCF. What is HCF? HCF में we have to choose, हमें क्या करना होता है, we have to pick the common factor and with least power. So which factor is common in both? Only the two factors are common, 2 and 3. So the factor and with least power we have to pick the factor 2. हमें जो factor 2 और 3 common है वो पिक करने हैं, लेकिन लिस्ट पावर के साथ, कम पावर वाले. तो कम पावर यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 1 है, पावर कम कितनी है 1. सो पिकअप 2 raised to the power 1. नेक्स्ट the 3 raised to the power 3 and 3 raised to the power 1. So I will pick 3 raised to the power 1. So HCF is this and LCM is this. Now solve it. 2 2 is 4, 4 is 8, 8 is 16, 3 3 is 9, 9 is 27 into 7. Multiply all these. Here it comes out 6 and it comes out, multiply all these. After multiplication what we get? 7 6 is 42, 7 1 is 7 11, 112 multiply 27, it is remaining. 7 2 is 14, 1 carry, 7 1 is 7 8 7, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 4, 8 plus 4 12, 10 3, 324. So LCM is 324 and LCF is 6. So check out whether the product, now they are saying that find the product of the HCF and LCM and the product of two numbers. So what is the product of HCF and LCM? Firstly I will find the product of HCF and LCM. That is 3024 into 6. Okay, so it will come out, multiply by 6. Make a line here and put it make a box here and do the calculation work. But in exam you do the calculation work on the rough sheet. You will be given the rough sheet in the exam. Okay, 6 4 24, 2 carry, 6 to the 12, 12 13 14, 6 0 0 plus 1, 6 3 is 18. So what is the product of LCF and LCM? That is 18,144. Now the product of numbers is, whatever the two numbers were 336 and 54. So product of two numbers is 336 into 54. So you do their multiplication also. 336 into 54, that is equal to 4 6 is 24, 2 carry, 4 is 12, 13 14, 1 carry, 4 is 12, 13, 5 is 30, 3 carry, 5 is 15, 15, 16 17 18, 1 carry, 5 is 15 16, 4 4 11 8 1, 18,144. It comes out 18,144. As we can see that the product of LCF and LCM and the product of numbers are same. So according to the question, we get product of LCM and HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Very simple question. Only need practice. आपको practice करने की ज़रूरत है. No need to worry. Just keep on doing and get success in your exam. Maths is the easiest subject. If you will indulge yourself in this, then you can know how interesting it is. But the students make hawa of it. That is not so. Now come to the next question. That is question number 3. LCM and HCF. Find the LCM and LCF for the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. Only now, instead of having two numbers, we are having here three numbers, and we have to find the LCM and HCF. First, with the same procedure we will follow. We will do the prime factorization of these numbers, and then we'll apply the rule, as we know how to find the LCM and HCF. So simple, very easy. Come to the question now. Question number 3, part first. That is, question is 12. The numbers are 12, 15 and 21. Do prime fraction of all the numbers 15 and 21. 3 7 ja 7 1 ja, 3 5 ja 5 1 ja, 3 4 ja 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja. Okay, got it? Now write down. Sorry, 1 second. Hold on. So 12 factors, 12 के prime factors हैं. They are 3 into 2 into 2, and the prime factors of 15 are 3 into 5, and the prime factors of 21 are 3 into 7. Okay, so LCM, find out the LCM. That is equal to we have to take all the factors, सारे factor pick करने हैं, and with highest power. Here write down in the power form, and only the powers are this factor has power and no other factor have powers. They are simple, they are having one power only. So now the three factor, first I will pick the factor 2, and its highest power is 2. Then I will pick the factor 3, and its highest power is 1, and then I will pick 5, then 7. So I counted all the factors, I have taken all the factors, and we will find out their product also. In this way you can find the LCM. 4 into 3 into 5 into 7, as 4 is 12 and 5 7 is 35. Do their multiplication and got the result. 5 is 10, 1 carry, 5 1 is 5 6. Okay, so write down properly. I can write, but you cannot write. You have to write in very clear language. 5 2 is 10, 5 1 is 5 6, 3 is 6, 3 1 is 3, 0 12 4. It comes out. Their multiplication is 420. Now HCF, you have to find out the HCF. How to find? Pick the common factor in all the three numbers. So which is the common factor? And the list with the least power. The 3 is common in all these numbers, and the least power is also 1. The power are same in all the numbers. ठीक है, हम इसमें से 3 फैक्टर पिक करेंगे और उसकी पावर भी 1 ही है. So HCF will be 1 only. So in this way we can find out the HCF and LCM, and I hope you can find the other parts also. If you want to know, then I can calculate them, but I leave these questions to you. If you are not able to do, then I will do it tomorrow. So let's come to the same procedure following all these two remaining questions, remaining parts. Come to the question number 4. Given that HCF of two numbers, the numbers are 306 and 657, it is equal to 9. You have to find the LCM. Very simple question. You have to apply the formula only. What is the formula of the calculating HCF if numbers are given and the LCM are given? LCM is given. Okay. Now question number 4. Now HCF is, don't write equal in between them. HCF of two numbers, that is equal to 9. Okay, and the numbers are, you have to write out whole numbers are 306 and 657. So numbers are these. HCF is given 9. We have to find LCM of these two numbers. Okay, clear? You know the formula. We know the formula that LCM of two numbers, LCM into HCF, but you have no need to write here the numbers. You write down, simply write down the formula. LCM into HCF, sorry for this cutting, is equal to the product of two numbers. You know very well. LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So what? So we have to find LCM here and use the given values. Given value HCF is given here, that is 9, and you find out the product of these two numbers. Yes, we need to multiply this. It's a long calculation, but it's very easy. Don't have fear from calculation. Now start doing. 7 is 42, 7 3 is 21, 5 is 30, 5 is 30 and 0 is here, therefore I will write down. मैं यहाँ पे 0 है इसलिए मैं 5 से 30 होगा तो 0 यहाँ पे 3 प्लस हो जाएगा तो 3 comes here, 5 3 is 15. ठीक है. नाउ थर्ड के लिए हम 2 क्रॉस करते हैं. 6 is 42, 0 है तो 42 एज इट इज़ आ जाएगा तो 6 3 is 18. नाउ 2 4 6 and 7 8 9 10 11 0 2. So it comes out 2016. Here, write down here 1642. Now for finding out LCM, this 9 will go into the denominator और it will divide it. इसको divide करेगा, divide करो. 3 से divide हो रहा है ये. Try. 3 is 18. Let me calculate in mentally. 3 is 18. Then 3 is 21. 3 2 is 6. ठीक है. 3 1 is 3. 3 4 is okay. It go by 3. 3 6 is 18. 18 2 remaining. 3 7 is 21. 3 2 is 6. 3 1 is 3. 3 4 is 12. Okay, this comes out again. 3 1 is 3 2 is 6. 3 2 is 6. 3 4 is 12. But it will not go by 3. So let it be there and give me some time. Let me check. Is there any calculation mistake? Is there any calculation mistake? Let us check. But the one thing I will tell you, there is a shortcut to do this question. Do not multiply here, please. Yeah, I will do it in simpler way. So just leave it here. No need to multiply. I will do it in simpler way. HCF is equal to 306 into 657. Write down the value here, that is 9 is equal to 306 into 657 into LCM. LCM will be equal to 306 into 657 upon 9. 3 1 is 3, 0, 3 2 is 3 3 is 9. Again, now it will go by 3 again. 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. Now the answer will come out. Now you can multiply 44. here it was coming in a decimal, that was wrong. So multiply now. 4 7 are 28, 2, 4 5 20, 22, 4 6 are 24, 2 carry 26, 3 7 are 21, 2, 3 5 are 15, 15 16 17, 1 carry, 3 6 are 18, 19, 8. Add these two numbers. 8, 2 plus 1 3, 7 6 13, 1 carry, 12, 2. So this is the LCM of these two given numbers, 22,338. Done. Now come to the fifth question. What they are saying? They are saying that check whether the 6 raised to the power can end with digit 0 for a natural number n, but it requires detail for solving it. Before solving it, we will do the sixth question. Why? Because it's easy. After doing it, then I will solve it in last. So let's go to the question number 6 first. So what they are saying, explain why 7 cross 11 into 13 plus 13 is equal to, and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. Let us solve. First take this number, this whole number, 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. Check whether it is a composite or not. Whether this is a composite number. Composite number. What are the composite numbers? The numbers which have more than two factors are called composite numbers. Okay. So let us solve. Solution is equal to 7. Take in these two numbers, 13 is common in both numbers. So take 13 common. 7 into 11 into 1 plus 1. Okay. Now do calculation. 77 plus 1, 13 into 78. Okay. You can see that it has this whole number having more than two factors, because we can write it in 13 into 2 into 9. Okay. So it is a composite number. Yes, it is a composite number. In the similar way, we will do the next question. But thank you for today.